How to kill weeds permanently in a large area. A lush landscape requires healthy and balanced soil for growth. Unfortunately, the same soil that benefits landscape plants also benefits weeds. Ridding a landscape of weeds is something many homeowners are all too familiar with, and battle on a regular basis. However, there are long-term solutions to weed control even in large areas that do not require the use of potentially harmful commercial products. Things you'll need: flamer, container, stove or microwave, cornmeal, newspaper, rocks or soil. Use the heat from a weed flamer to kill weeds in various stages of development. Hold the flame of the weed flamer just above or alongside of weeds. Allow the heat to burn the leaves and stem of the weed for permanent control. Heat a container of water to the point of boiling on a stove top or in a microwave. Carefully pour the boiling water directly onto the weeds in the area to be controlled. Sprinkle cornmeal onto the ground in the large area to be controlled. Use cornmeal as it contains natural gluten that acts as a pre-emergent. Apply the cornmeal liberally to the area before weeds begin to emerge to prevent the germination of weed seeds. Apply salt to the ground where weeds are actively growing. Place a small amount of salt around the base of growing weeds for more select control. Be careful not to scatter the salt to your plants, as salt will destroy other vegetation as well. Place newspaper on the ground to cover bare ground to prevent weeds, or on top of weeds for control. Place several layers of newspaper on the weeds, and position rocks or small piles of soil to hold the paper in place.